fifth lecture of standard 7 of subject science. So in the last lecture we had discussed the last topic of that chapter, and it is dispersion of light and rainbow formation. Mechanism of rainbow formation that I was discussed in the last lecture. Here in this lecture I am going to solve the exercise which is given in your textbook. So in chapter number 15 is over there. Here I am going to solve the exercise. So let's look what are given in your exercise. So firstly question number 1, and it is of your objective type of questions. It is objective type. Objective type of questions means MCQ type. So I am writing here answer of first question. So what is first question? Let's look. Which of the following is not an example of regular reflection? So regular reflection का example कौन सा नहीं है? Let's look. Reflection in a mirror. This is regular reflection. Mirror, it has a plane surface. So this is the example of regular reflection. Option number B. Reflection in still water. So still water also acts as a reflecting surface. This is also right. C. Reflection in polished surface. So polished surface, it is also regular surface. And option number D is reflection in rippled water. So rippled means it is moving. So it does not have any type of reflecting surface. It does not have regular reflecting surface. So that's why answer D. Reflection in rippled water. Rippled water. This is D. Now we are moving to the question number 2. What is given in question number 2? So let's start. Question number 2 says that what is the reflection of an object in a mirror called? Option number A. Again I am repeating. What is the reflection of an object in a mirror called? Incidence. Option number A. Option number B. Reflection. Option number C. Image. And option number D. Object. So reflection of an object is generally considered as a image. So answer is C. It is image. I am writing here answer of question number 3. So what is question number 3? Let's try to find out. So question number 3 says that image formed by a concave mirror is which of the following? Image formed by a concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. So इसके द्वारा जो images form होते हैं. So what are the characteristics of that mirrors? Virtual and same size. Virtual but not the same size. Real and same size. Real but not same size. So by this type of mirror, image is created real and not of same size. So option number D is right. Option number D is right here. Now the question number 4. So I am writing here answer number 4, and I am reading here. White light is composed of blank colors. Option number A 6 colors, B 7 colors, C 9 colors, and D 3 colors. So we know that white light is made up by the 7 different number of colors. So option number D is right, and it is 7 colors. It is made up by the 7 colors. So these are our MCQ session. Now we are moving towards the very short answer question session. Very short answer questions. So question number 2, and it is very answer session. So what is given in the first question? Let's look. So in the first question it is given the property of light to travel in a straight line. The property of light travel in a straight line motion. So this property it is known as a, what is known this straight line में वो move करता है. So this is the property. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है जिसकी वजह से ये स्ट्रेट लाइन में ये एकदम मूव करता है? So let's try to find out by this experiment. So suppose this is our surface and it is tracking from here. So always travels in a straight line. So means light travels in a straight line means it is electromagnetic. It is your electromagnetic wave. That's why it is travels in a straight line motion. Now the question number 2, and it is given to you the type of the reflection formed when parallel beam of light falls on a regular surface and gets reflected in one direction. So this type, this is your regular surface, parallel beams of light strikes on this surface and it gets reflected from that surface. So this type of reflection, it is generally considered as a regular reflection. So this is the example of regular reflection. Question number 3. So what is given in question number 3? Let's try to find out. A mirror with inwardly bulging reflecting surface. A mirror with inwardly bulging refracting surface. So this type of mirror, this is inversely bulging surface. This is bulge surface. So this type of mirror is known as a convex mirror. So this was your third type of question. Inwardly bulging surface जिसका हो उस मिरर को क्या कहते हैं? This is your convex mirror. Now question number 4, it is given a type of a lens that is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. So means I think this was, it is thicker at the middle, here thicker it is, and it is here thinner. So this type of lenses are known as a convex lens. This is your convex lens. Now the 5th question, it is given to you. The scientist who was the first to discover that sunlight is composed of 7 colors. So firstly it was discovered by Newton. Newton was the first scientist who was discovered that white light composed of 7 different number of colors. So these are your very short question answer session. Now here question number 3, again short question answers. So question number 3, it is short question answer. So what type of questions are given in this session? Let's look. First question, answer of first question. Answer of first question. What is an incident and reflected ray? So suppose this is our surface. This is our surface, and the ray of light which is striking to surface, this is known as a incident ray. This is our incident ray that I was discussed. And after striking that surface, it gets reflected into same medium, and it is known as a reflected ray. This is our reflected ray. So I am again repeating here, the light which is striking on the surface of an object is considered as a incident ray, and the light after the incidenting it gets reflected into same medium, that light is considered as a reflected ray. Now the question number 2. So answer to what is diffused reflection? What is diffused reflection? So diffused reflection and irregular reflection both are same. So what is irregular reflection? Let's try to find out. So we know that if the light, parallel beam of light strikes on the irregular surface, so it strikes here, this is parallel here, but due to the surface, it gets reflected in all the directions. It never becomes parallel. So these types of reflections are considered as a diffused reflection that I discussed. So I am again repeating here, when the parallel beam of light strikes on an irregular surface of an object, it gets reflected in all the directions. This type of reflection is considered as a diffused reflection. Now question number 3, what is given here? So in the question number 3, explain the term lateral inversion. So lateral inversion can be written as a, suppose this is your mirror, this is our concave mirror I am taking here, this is concave mirror, and I am putting here object in a upright position. So after the formation of this image by the convex mirror, image gets laterally inverted. So when the image gets laterally inverted means it creates a lateral inversion. So this is given in your textbook. This is lateral inversion. Question number 4, and it is given which are the types of lens. So there are the 2 types of lens, concave and convex lens. Concave looks like this type of structure, while the convex looks like this type of structure. And last question is given to you, identify the colors present in white light. So question number 5, it is given to you. I am discussing here. Identify the light. Question number 5. Identify the light. Lights are in the form of vivid diode. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the 7 different number of colors, and it is commonly also known as a spectrum of light. So this was your exercise. After that, last question is long answer questions that you have to complete from the PDF of the given chapter. So I think this is completed chapter. This is chapter number 15 is completing here, and in the next lecture we will start with the new one chapter with one important phenomena, and we will also start with the chemistry portion, chemical reactions. Chemistry portion को next में start करेंगे. So this is over to you. Thank you.